like those goosebumps every time. I need a hand, throw that to the side.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's me, Dani, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be an exciting one because my first sneaker win will be arriving today, and I am so excited to unbox it with you guys. So let's go. Here it is, guys. This is my first ever sneaker win. It is the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 Low. Alright, so let's start with the box. As you can see here, it is a bit different from your standard Jordan 1 box because this one comes with a transparent sleeve with the branding of Cactus Jack, Nike Air, Jordan, and Fragment Design. It's actually similar to the Amiel Jordan 3 shoebox because that one also had a transparent sleeve with the Amiel branding naman. And to the people who don't know, this pair is a triple collab. So the logos you see here on the sleeve represent those brands. So for the actual shoebox, as you can see here, there are no Travis or Fragment logos on the shoebox. We have here a clean off-white color with the Nike branding in color blue that matches the color blue on the actual sneaker. And here on the side, we have the size tag. And here on the other side, we have a text saying 1985 Air Jordan 1. Wait, 1985? Kuya Poltan! Quadruple collab pala ito. Just kidding. Shout out to 1985X Manila. If you guys are looking for custom sneakers, you should check out their page. Alright, so back to the unboxing. Let's open this baby up. Ooh. Here it is, guys. So first thing you see inside the box is this pink tissue with, of course, the Nike Cactus Jack Travis Scott Fragment branding. And when you open this, there's a second tissue na plain white lang. And then when you open this up, here it is, guys. This is the Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 Low. So as you can see, I already laced this up already. I was so excited to try it kasi. And let me tell you, this pair is really, really comfy. And the photos of it online doesn't give it justice. It is so nice in person and I actually like it better than the highs. But that's just me. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. So this pair really comes unlaced, which you don't normally see on a Air Jordan 1 Low. And here, we have 3 shoelaces, actually 4, including this sale one. We have the signature Travis pink one, a black one, and a blue one. And as you can see here, the shoelaces on the lows are waxed. Compare it to the highs, hindi wax yung sa highs. So just take note of that. And what I love about the design of this sneaker is the color blocking and the accents of sail, which we have here on the midsole, here on the reverse swoosh, here on the tongue, and on the laces. And here on the heel tab, as you can see, we have an embroidered white Jordan Wings logo. And here on the left pair, we have the Cactus Jack logo. And here on the bottom, we have the cactus jack symbol. And here on the other side, we have the double lightning fragment logo. This pair was released here in the Philippines on August 13, 2021 with the retail price of 8,095 pesos. And resale prices for this now is around 70,000 to 80,000 pesos. Do I think it's worth buying? Definitely. This pair is worth it. And iba talaga ang tama niya sa akin, guys. Sobrang in love talaga ako, especially when I saw it firsthand. Okay, this is it. Ang ganda niya in person. First win! Amoy Nike. Amoy Travis Nike Jordan Fragment. Hello, Travis? Yeah! I got it! Hiroshi? Yeah! I got it! So back to the sneaker, we have a black leather around the toe box that moves up to here, and a black Nike swoosh here on the inner side of the sneaker and here on the heel tab. And on the toe box, we have white leather also here on the upper. Then lastly, we have this blue color here on the back tab, on the sock liner, on the insole, and on the outsole. And on the tongue, we have a cactus jack logo in red stitching. And on the left pair, we have the Fragment branding on the tongue. But that's not it. The subtle details of this pair is what I love the most. So as you can see here, Fragment placed their production text here on the midsole. And here on the upper, you can see a cactus jack logo over the Nike swoosh. I think they used white paint for this, and I really love the effect of it. It's really cool. So if you're planning to buy this Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 Low, for the sizing, I say go true to size. Alright guys, so that's it for the unboxing. I will now announce the winners of my giveaway. Congratulations to Aaron So, Bal Salas, and Amiel Marquez. Please message me on my socials at Street by Dani to claim your DRYKICKS X Street by Dani shoe cover. By the way guys, if you want to purchase this shoe cover, it is available on Shopee. I will place the link in the description box below. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today guys. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified when I post my next video. See you then, Dani.